You pull up to the pump. You grab the handle, pick your grade, regular, mid, premium, and fill up the tank. You probably think that as long as it's the right octane for your car, all gasoline is pretty much the same. So you just shop for the best price, right? Well, what if I told you that was a myth? What if I told you that a group of the world's biggest automakers companies like BMW, General Motors, Honda, and Toyota got so concerned about the quality of gas across North America that they created their own performance standard? A standard that most gas stations simply don't meet. This isn't about premium versus regular. This is about the hidden ingredients in your fuel that decide whether your engine runs smoothly for years or slowly gets choked by gunk. If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. It's shocking that over 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving hundreds or even thousands from the information in these videos. Subscribing costs you nothing but helps me keep bringing you content that dealers don't want you to see. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain. We are revealing the official list of gasoline brands that have earned this special certification. We'll break down what this certification is, why it matters today, and which stations in the US and Canada make the cut. Stick around, because we'll also show you the one brand that consistently offers this high-quality fuel, often at the best price. So let's bust that old myth right now. Gas is gas. To believe that, you'd have to assume car engines haven't changed. But they have. Car companies are under massive pressure to squeeze every last drop of power and efficiency from smaller engines. To do this, they've widely adopted a technology called gasoline direct injection, or GDI. Unlike older systems that sprayed fuel behind intake valves, GDI shoots a fine high-pressure mist of fuel straight into the chamber. This is awesome for performance. But it created a nasty side effect: carbon deposits. Since gas no longer washes over the intake valves, they get hot and become magnets for tiny particles of carbon and gunk. Over time, these deposits build up, layer by layer, restricting airflow. It's like an artery slowly getting clogged. The result? Your engine can't breathe. You might notice a rough idle, hesitation when you accelerate, and worse, gas mileage. In serious cases, it can trigger the dreaded check engine light and lead to expensive repairs. Now, you're probably thinking, doesn't the government regulate this? And you're right. In the US, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, mandates a minimum level of detergent additives in all gasoline. The issue is, that minimum standard was set back in 1996 and hasn't really kept up with modern engine technology like GDI. Automakers noticed that the government's minimum standard just wasn't cutting it for their new, finely tuned engines. They realized that if the fuel being sold to the public was gunking up their engines, it would lead to a nightmare of unhappy customers. So they decided to take matters into their own hands. This is where the story gets interesting. In 2004, a powerful group of leading automakers, including GM, BMW, Honda, and Toyota, did something huge. They created their own voluntary, higher standard for gasoline quality. They called it Top Tier. Top Tier is not a brand of gas or a marketing gimmick. It's a certification, a seal of approval. It tells you the gasoline you're buying meets a much higher automaker-defined standard for cleanliness. So what does it take to earn the Top Tier logo? It's all about the detergent additives. To get certified, a gas station must use a specific, enhanced level of high-quality detergents in their fuel. This additive package has to pass a series of tough performance tests designed by the car companies themselves. The tests prove that the fuel will actively prevent the buildup of deposits on critical engine parts, like intake valves. Think of the EPA minimum as just enough to get by. Top Tier is the standard engineers actually want you to use. They aren't selling the gas. They're just setting a higher bar for quality to protect their products and you, their customer. Okay, so the automakers created a higher standard. But does it really make a difference, or is it just a fancy sticker? This is where independent research from the American Automobile Association, better known as AAA, gives us a clear answer. AAA conducted a major real-world study on fuel quality to see if top-tier gas was worth the extra few cents. Their findings were a bombshell. AAAS research concluded that top-tier gasoline can result in 19 times fewer carbon deposits. 19 times fewer deposits. That's a staggering difference between an engine that breathes freely and one that's slowly being suffocated. AAA also found that switching to a top-tier brand could have a remedial effect, helping to clean up existing gunk. It's not a magic potion, but it is proven to help control and reduce deposits, which can help restore lost performance. The conclusion was undeniable. Top-tier gas delivers a measurable, significant benefit for engine cleanliness. Now is the perfect time to clear up one of the biggest points of confusion at the pump: the difference between top-tier and premium. They are not the same thing. When you see numbers like 87, 89, 91, or 93, that's the fuel's octane rating. Octane is all about a fuel's resistance to engine knock. High-performance engines often require high-octane premium fuel to run correctly. Using a lower octane than recommended can cause knocking, which can seriously damage an engine. Top tier has nothing to do with octane. It's all about the detergent additive package and its cleaning power. Here's the key takeaway: a brand's gasoline must be top-tier certified across all its octane grades. You can buy top-tier regular 87 octane, top-tier mid-grade, and top-tier premium. If your car is designed for regular 87 octane, putting 93 premium in it is usually just a waste of money. It won't make your engine more powerful. But choosing 87 octane gas from a top-tier certified brand will make a difference. The smart move is to buy fuel at whatever octane your car needs from a brand that has earned the top-tier certification. Okay, you're convinced. You want the good stuff. So where can you get it in the United States? If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. Before I list them, a huge disclaimer: this list can and does change. Brands get added and sometimes removed. The only 100% definitive source is the official top-tier website, toptiergas.com. I highly recommend bookmarking it. But, as of this filming, here are many of the major brands in the US that have committed to the top-tier standard. Let's start with the giants you'll see on almost any highway: Shell, Chevron, Exxon, Mobil, and BP. Then you have other massive national and regional players like Texaco, Conoco, Phillips 66, Sunoco, and Valero. You also have convenience store powerhouses like Quick Trip and 76, which are both committed to selling top-tier fuel. The list goes on and includes other certified brands you might find depending on your region, like Arco, Citgo, Sinclair, and Marathon. Among that long list of certified brands, there's one name that consistently stands out for both quality and price. It's a brand that has become a legend among savvy consumers. We're talking about Costco and their Kirkland Signature gasoline. Yes, the same place you get bulk groceries and a $1.50 hot dog is also one of the best places to buy fuel. Costco is a proud and long-standing member of the top-tier program. This means every grade of Kirkland Signature gasoline contains the high level of detergents needed to keep your engine clean, just like the major brands. In fact, Costco is one of the first brands to adopt the even newer top-tier plus standard. And here's the best part: Costco's gasoline is almost always one of the most affordable top-tier options in any given market. They use their high-volume, low-margin business model to deliver a top-quality product at a fantastic price. For drivers who want the best protection for their engine without breaking the bank, a Costco membership can often pay for itself in fuel savings. Now, for our viewers north of the border, let's talk about the top-tier landscape in Canada. The same principles apply, but the list of available brands is different. The most reliable source is the official top-tier website. Shell Canada and Esso are prominent top-tier brands across the country. Chevron also offers top-tier certified fuel in its Canadian locations. Petro-Canada, a common site from coast to coast, is on the top-tier list. You'll also find Ultramar and Co-op gas bars are certified. And just like in the States, Costco Wholesale in Canada is a top-tier licensee, offering that same great combination of high quality and low price. It's crucial to know that a brand being top-tier in the US doesn't automatically mean it is in Canada. Licensed brands are allowed to display the official top-tier logo right at the station. This is your best on-the-spot indicator. When you pull into a station, look for the logo. You might find it on the main sign, on a decal, or on the pump handle. Seeing that logo is your confirmation that all grades of gasoline it sells meet the higher detergent standard. If you don't see a logo and want to be certain, check the official list on the top-tier website. It gives you complete peace of mind. So what's your go-to gas station? Are you a die-hard Shell V-Power fan, or do you hunt for the best price at Costco? Or maybe you have a gas station horror story from using cheap, off-brand fuel. We want to hear about it. Drop it in the comments below. We read every single one. And your experience could seriously help someone else in this community make a smarter choice the next time they're at the pump. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. The gas you put in your car really does matter for its long-term health. For decades, we've been conditioned to think gas is gas. But with modern engines, that's a dangerously outdated way of thinking. It's not about spending more money on higher octane fuel your car doesn't need. It's about choosing a fuel with the right cleaning agents to protect your engine from those performance-robbing deposits. The automakers who build your car created a standard to make it easy for you to do just that. That standard is top tier. The evidence is clear, the independent research from AAA backs it up, and the list of brands that meet the standard is long and accessible. Next time that fuel light comes on, take that extra second. Look for the top tier logo. It's the simplest way to give your engine the high-quality fuel it was designed to run on. Your engine and your wallet will thank you.